Very good morning to everyone. Today's Excel training, I will be covering the functions called date difference. Okay, the reason of using the date difference is that we need to compare the number of years that the staff has been working with us. So basically, for the date difference, we need to compare the first date and then we need to compare on the second date that how long the staff has been working for a company within a certain period of time. So basically, you can see here we have a staff called Haslinda binti Muhammad Desa. Okay, the company hired her in 3rd of August 2015, and then we need to use the function date difference to calculate how many years and how many months or how many days that this particular staff has been working for us. So basically what you need to do here is that you need to key in this command, the date difference. So basically you can see that you need to put uh, the difference command and then F4. F4 here is the hiring date. Today means that for as at today, how many years that he has been working with us, and then we need to put the statement here years, and then we also wanted to check how many months that he has been working with us is the same thing. Okay, we need to put the ym command, which is months, for the months to appear. And then for the third one is that we wanted to check how many days that the staff has been working with for us. So we need to put the command here md, and then we also need to put the statement of days here. So basically when you press enter, you can see that this staff has been working for us for 8 years, 0 months and 16 days. So if you want to uh, ensure to check all the staff, how many years and months and days that all the staff has been working for us. After getting the first formula, you can see on the top, on the bottom right here, the plus sign, you just double click on it. So when you double click on it, you can see that all the years, months and days will be appearing out for each particular staff based on the hiring date and today's date, that how long this particular staff has been working for us. All right, so basically when you have this date itself, you will be able to analyze, okay, this particular staff has been working for us for how many years, how many months, and how many days. I hope that this training is able to help you in performing your work faster, in calculating the number of years, the number of months, and also the number of days that a staff has been working in your company or your department. Thank you very much.